3, 2, 1. Ignition. And we've got liftoff. Liftoff with the Falcon 9 rocket on the Starlink 10-56 mission. Falcon 9 has cleared the tower. Beautiful sunrise ascent as the Falcon 9 takes off from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, now 1 minute into flight. Rocket traveling faster than the speed of sound, approaching Max-Q, the point of greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle. Now through that gate, the Falcon's engines are throttling back up. Coming up to the start of MVAC engine chill. Thermally conditioning the... Air's a good call for that. They're thermally conditioning the Merlin vacuum engine on the rocket's second stage. We're coming up to a few events in fairly rapid succession here. We'll have first stage main engine cutoff, or MECO, followed by stage separation, and then the ignition of that Merlin vacuum engine. Payload fairings will jettison around the 3-minute mark. About 10 seconds to MECO. MECO?
Main engine
Stage.
cutoff. Stage separation confirmed. MVAC ignition.
Good calls, good onboard visuals from Falcon 9 rocket. Coming up on fairing jettison momentarily. And there you see the payload fairings go.
Fairing separation confirmed.
And a nice view of the two fairing halves, the glow of the second stage, and near the bottom of the big box, you can still see the first stage booster with those occasional puffs. Those are the cold gas thrusters. Just slipped out of frame there. Now Pete's got it back. This is just the second flight for the Falcon 9 first stage booster, tail number 1095 in the SpaceX fleet. It's going to be targeting a touchdown on the drone ship called Just Read the Instructions. A nice view of the two stages there from Chuck and Jen as well. You can see the booster towards the bottom of the screen, the glow of the second stage up in the upper left-hand corner. You can follow along with the telemetry for both stages in the middle of the two boxes on the right-hand side of your screen. About 4.5 minutes into the mission so far. Coming up, the next milestone will be the reignition of 3 of the 9 Merlin engines at the base of the Falcon 9 booster. That'll be the start of the entry burn to dramatically slow that first stage down. Should be starting at about T plus 6 minutes and 10 seconds, lasting a little less than 30 seconds in total. still tracking the Falcon booster a little bit hard as it gets further out and passes through the clouds that we're seeing now periodically. We may or may not be able to catch the entry burn with the tracking camera. I know Pete's doing his level best, but it is getting trickier and trickier as the booster
Stage
gets
1 FTS has saved.
closer to the start of the entry burn. Should be kicking on right about now.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
And he's got it. Just barely.